Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. Happy weekend. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 20th of January 2024 and our topic today na God's Best Friends Part 2. We go see our memory verse for Isaiah chapter 41 verse 8 and e talk say, "But Israel na my servant, the people wey I choose, wey be my friend Abraham children." Make we go read Hebrews chapter